Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Glory Cordero. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to do barbecue spare rib tips from the Chinese restaurant. I guarantee you guys that you're going to love my recipe. Stay tuned for the recipe. This is the ingredients you will need to do the perfect barbecue sauce for the Chinese ribs. I guarantee you, you're going to love it. Tomato paste, black pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, apple cider, ketchup, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sazon, honey, brown sugar, a drainer, glove, Ziploc bag, red dye, cinnamon, like a quarter of water, not that much water, hoisin sauce, ground cumin, and of course, the start of the night, the ribs. I already bought these ribs already cut in pieces in my supermarket, my local supermarket. So if you got the long ones, it's fine. You can cut them in pieces. You can leave them long. You can do whatever you want. And this is all you need. One more time. It takes a lot of ingredients, but I guarantee you, you're gonna love the ribs. And now, I'm gonna teach you how to do the sauce. We're gonna incorporate all the ingredients. The soy sauce, the garlic, tomato paste, vinegar, apple cider, black pepper, ketchup, oyster sauce, cinnamon, brown sugar, hoisin sauce, cumin in powder, honey, sazon. We're going to turn the stove on and we're going to mix everything. This is like really fast process. This is like 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes while all this incorporate. We're gonna add red dye, we're gonna add a little bit of water. We're gonna keep stirring it. And we're gonna let it sit there another 2 more minutes. So everything is bubbling. See how the sauce is bubbling? Then you turn it off. And then you're gonna pass it to the meat. And we pour the sauce in the top of the ribs. Like that. It's like a marinade. And we're gonna stir them and stir them. And make sure everything is like marinated, incorporated in the ribs. All the sauce. Make sure all the sauce is incorporated. Work it out with your hands. That's why you need the glove. Incorporate it. And after that, And after you marinate them, you're just gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. Like, once you put them in a Ziploc bag, they're gonna look like this. And we're gonna put them in the refrigerator into the next day. Make sure you put them in the fridge one day to another. They need to marinate overnight for them to become really nice. And they're gonna look like this. Overnight, make sure you put them in the refrigerator. Hi guys, welcome back after 24 hours. This is how the ribs look like after 24 hours. They've been in the refrigerator marinated. So now we're gonna preheat the oven in 350 or 375 while we do the ribs. We put them in the pan. We're gonna put them in the pan, and then we're gonna place them back in the oven until they done for like maybe 45 minutes or until they done. It's up to you how you like your ribs. Once you got them in the pan, they're going straight to the oven for like 45 minutes. or until they're done. See you later. After hour and a half, I thought it was 45 minutes, but it really took hour and a half. This is the result of the ribs. That's how they look like. That's the result, how they look like. See you in a minute when I'm gonna show you when I serve them in a plate how beautiful the ribs looks. Look how beautiful they look when you serve them. Really pretty. This is how they look after you take them. I say half an hour, 45 minutes, but it really took hour and a half. They really deserve eat. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the pork fried rice to accompany these delicious ribs. See you in a minute. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay guys, if you like my ribs, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Please subscribe, link, everything. You do everything you do. Please like my videos. You're gonna like my ribs, and if you like the rice next to my ribs, please click the link below and I'll show you step by step how to do the pork fried rice. Pork fried rice with barbecue spare ribs. Bye. See you next time.